Good morning, all of you. Once again, I am here to make you learn about the chapter number 1, human body. Chapter number 1 in EVS, the human body. Now, in this chapter, we will learn the in our human body or in human organs. Okay, because of 2 or 3 days gap was there, that's why I will revise the chapter once again for you, so you will get the continuity. Okay, yes, first we will learn about the our body. Okay, in this we learned how we will get an organ. In this we learned how we will get an organ. See, first we have the group of cells, then group of cells make a tissue, and then group of cells and tissues will come together. Group of cells and the tissues both will come together, then we will get an organ. Okay, in this first we will learn about the skeleton system. In this skeletal system, see, once again I am repeating you here, this is your entire skeletal system. Okay, this is your skull, this is rib cage, and this is the backbone. Okay, see, the skeletal system mainly gives the shape and support our body. Okay, it protect our inner system. So it will not get hurt. Okay, see, the skull protect the brain. The skull part of our bodies protect our brain, and rib cage protect our heart and lungs. And backbone support the all the parts of the body. And then we learned number 2, muscular system. Okay, then we learnt number 2, muscular system. Okay, muscular system made of around 640 muscles, and muscles help us to walk, to run, to jump, to ride, to hold something. Okay, or we can make our muscles more strong by doing regular exercise. How we can make our muscles strong? We can make our muscles strong by doing regular exercise. And then we learned number 3, digestive system. This is your entire digestive system. The main organs of the digestive systems are: first, mouth; second, food pipe; third, stomach; then small intestine; and number 5th, large intestine. Okay, digestive system has main 5 organs. First, mouth; second, food pipe; third, stomach; fourth, small intestine; and 5th, large intestine. Okay, whatever we eat, first it goes into our mouth, then it goes into our food pipe, then stomach, and when it goes into stomach produce some juice and divide into small particles, and then it goes into your small intestine, and whatever is required for your small intestine, it's take, and all the then it goes into large intestine. Okay, and whatever is required, large intestine will take, and all the waste material thrown out through our anus. Okay, now number 4 we learnt about the respiratory system. Respiratory system we call in Hindi Shoshan Tantra. See my dear students, nowadays you are hearing that this word again and again. Be strong your immunity, develop your immunity power. Okay, immunity means our respiratory system. How our respiratory system works, we will learn again. Okay, see, the main functions of the respiratory systems are first nose, second windpipe, and third lungs. Okay, these are the main functions of the respiratory system, and we can make our respiratory system strong by doing daily yoga. Okay, now number 5, circulatory system. Number 5, circulatory system. In that system, see, circulatory, first you have to understand the meaning of circulatory. Have you heard this word circulatory? Okay, have you heard that word circular? Yes, when a school want to convey any message to your parents, then we are using circulars. Okay, it means we want to convey any message, so we will give you the circulars. As like that in our body we have the circulatory system. Okay, circulatory system consists of the heart, blood, and the blood vessels. The circulatory systems consist by these 3 parts. First is heart, blood, and third one is blood vessels. Okay, you can see the picture of blood vessel here. The left side of your book, the picture has given. Okay, so you can see the pictures. Okay, blood vessels, you are hearing this word first time. Blood vessels we call in Hindi dhamani. Why I am telling you sometimes in Hindi? Because this will help you to learn. Okay, then it's nervous system. Last, number 6 is nervous system. Okay, now I will explain. We already learnt about the skeletal system, muscular system, digestive system, respiratory system, and circulatory system in our previous lectures. Now I will explain you about the nervous system. What is our nervous system? Okay, the nervous system consists of what? The nervous system consists with the brain, spinal cord, and nerves. Okay, these 3 will work in our nervous system. Okay, what are these? These are first brain, second spinal cord, and third is nerves. The brain control all the organs of our body. See, what is the main function of our brain? Is that brain controls entire organs of our body. Okay, I am giving you one example. If you want to watch the television, then first what you require? What is your primary need? Your primary need is remote. Why you want remote that time? Because you want to control the television. If you want to see the cartoon channels, or if you want to increase or decrease the volume of the television, then you will need the remote. Okay, why? Because remote is the device. By using remote you can control the television. Okay, as like that, brain controls our all the organs of our body. Okay, now the nerves form a network to and from the brain. The brain controls all the activities of our body. Yes, it is very much same is written in your book. The brain controls all the activity of our body. Whatever we are doing, first brain will order us. First brain will give the order to us. Okay, then only we can do. Okay, now what is written in your book? The bundle of nerves. The bundle of nerves that runs from the brain to the back is called spinal cord. Okay, the bundle of nerves. See, in the book you can see the bundle of nerves. These all are the nerves. Okay, that runs from the brain. That runs from the brain to back to called this spinal cord. Okay, now I am turning the page of my book and I took out page number 8 and I am going to explain you about the good breathing habits. Good breathing habits. Okay, breathing means सांस लेना. What we call in Hindi? Breathe means सांस लेना. Okay. Number 1, always breathe through our nose. Sometimes some students, they are using their mouth. They are using their mouth, but never ever use mouth for taking the breath. Okay, always use your nose. Always use your nose. Okay. Do not cover your face while sleeping. Some students has the habit when they will sleep, they cover their mouth also. So this habit is not good for you. Okay. Number 3, keep your doors and windows to let fresh air circulate in. Number 3, once again I am repeating, keep your doors and windows to let fresh air circulate inside. Okay, and number 4, do exercise in fresh air every day. If you want to keep your body fit, do exercise regularly, but where? In fresh air. Okay. Now number 7, excretory system. Number 7, excretory system. I am going to make you learn something in this. Okay. Yes, our body produced waste during various activity. Our body produced waste during various activity. Okay, if we do not throw this waste out of our body, definitely we will fall sick. Whatever we are eating, whatever we are taking, it what we can say, whatever is the waste material of our body, it goes out through our body. If it will not goes out through the body, we definitely fall sick. This is written in your book. Okay, and this all process is done by the which part of the organ? Yes, excretory system. This all done by the excretory system and excretory system. Okay, in this system the main organs are working. First kidney, then uterus, then urinary bladders and urethra. These all are the organs which is working in this system. Okay, first kidney, second uterus, third urinary bladders, and fourth, urethra. The system release waste from the body in the form of urine. Whatever is waste of our body, the system release that all the waste from the body in form of the urine. And number 8, reproductive system. Number 8, reproductive system. Okay, in this is when you will go in your next class 4, 5 and all, then you will learn about these system very deeply. Here only 2 lines are written. So we will not go very deeply. Okay, reproductive system means in this system human beings giving birth to their babies. I think this information is quite enough to you. When you will go in your next classes, then you will learn deeply about these all system. See, so my chapter number 1, the human body, has finished. Okay, and once again I am repeating all the functions, all the system of the body. First cells, then tissues, then we will get the organ, then skeletal system, then muscular system, digestive system, respiratory system, circulatory system, nervous system, and excretory system, and reproductive system. We have learnt 8 systems in this lesson. Okay, in our next lesson we will solve this exercise. First we will do in the book, then we will do in the notebook. So thank you. Keep study. Stay home, stay safe. Keep study at home. Okay. Thank you.